Man, I am behind on opening up sneakers, guys. Just got back from Japan and there's a whole bunch of boxes waiting for me that I need to unbox with you guys on the channel today. We have 4 packages to open, man. A lot of cool stuff in here and obviously a good amount of sneakers as well. So if you guys are interested in today's sneaker unboxing, then stay tuned because that will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker unboxing episode today. This is going to be a great one today because these are a lot of sneakers that I am very behind on opening up, and I'm just really excited to take a look at what we got. So there's some packages from like early December I think that got in here, and I don't know, man. I just can't remember what we caught, so we're gonna take a look at that right now. First things first though, I want to open up a couple of these other non-sneaker boxes first. This one is actually from Adidas and I'm super excited because I know what this one is. And so what we have here is actually a oh man, this is so dude, this is so fire. What the heck? This is so sick, man. Check this thing out. Adidas shirt, but it got the Pokemon vibes on here, dude, in pixel form. You got your Squirtle, you got your Pikachu, Eevee, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and then obviously that Adidas logo in the back. Over back here, I don't think there's anything going on. It just says Adidas Pokemon. Recently, they had a collab, I guess, going on where they did like shoes on like the Stan Smiths and stuff, but they also had like this cool merch. So I caught this one from Adidas, dude. This is fire, man. If you guys don't like Pokemon, then I don't know what to say. You guys are missing out, but fire design right here. And now this is gonna be an interesting unboxing, man, because I'm not really sure what's in this box. Now I did have a PO box like listed in the description of videos like a while back, but I haven't really promoted it. I didn't really use it, and so it's been like not on like my descriptions for like the past like year, I think now. I do still have that PO box active, and I guess somebody like really like wanted to send something because they went all the way back to those old videos, found the PO box, and sent this today. And I actually recognize the guy's name, so I felt okay opening this one up on camera. The guy's name is Chris Alvarado, and he's actually like a commenter that I see like all the time. So I was really excited to see this, and I'm very surprised that he found the PO box because again, I don't promote that thing much. But let's see what we got, man. It'll be really interesting because I have no idea what's in here. It's a towel in here? Okay, ugh. Definitely not sneakers. It's too flat to be sneakers, but there is a note over here, so I guess I should read this first, man. A little bit longer, but I mean, he took the time to send it, so we should read it all the way through, right, guys? It says, Bryson, hi, it's Chris Alvarado. Wanted to make this for you because you're such an amazing person, and I felt it necessary to show my appreciation for always making me feel like I'm part of Johanna, even though I'm 3,000 miles away. Whoa, ever since I was diagnosed with pulmonary fibrosis, my outlook on life and people has changed. I can't do anything now as I'm bedridden, and watching your videos brings me joy. I'm a big sneakerhead and I get to live my life vicariously through your videos. Thanks a million. I wanted to ask if you could help bring awareness about pulmonary fibrosis. It actually kills more people than breast cancer, but it's not very well known. Again, thanks so much for your videos. Chris Alvarado. Dude, see it, oh God, man, this is so weird because it's like seeing stuff like this makes it like this channel so like it makes things feel real, you know, like it's so confusing because man, this guy has pulmonary fibrosis, which it sounds like it's a debilitating like disease and stuff, and that my videos and stuff actually make him feel better about himself and his life is like it doesn't make sense, like, you know, when you're reading in the comments and stuff and you're just like, okay, well, I hope he gets better, you know, and whatever. But when you actually like see like concrete time that somebody sent to like write this out, you know, and like actually like reach out and say, hey man, your videos are like helpful for me and like my condition and stuff, like that is that's a powerful thing, man. And it's so strange because I literally just unbox things on this channel for the most part, and it's weird to see like people like the quality of life gets better from watching me like just on videos and stuff. Like it really, like I guess I'm kind of like rambling now because I don't know how to like really process that kind of thing, man. I honestly feel like I have imposter syndrome all the time because to make somebody like feel like that I can't process that, you know, like you're welcome, I guess. I just really that's so cool, man. Like I'm just really happy that I guess I can help and I guess unintentionally help. So yeah, thank you, Chris. I don't know what's in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so we got this towel over here wrapped up nice and neat. Hopefully this is a clean towel. What we have here feels heavy is actually whoa, wait, what? Dude, what the heck is this? Are you serious? Holy F, how the heck did you made this? Is this, you can't buy this, I don't think. But how the heck did you make this? This is crazy. So if you guys don't know what this is, basically this is the UH logo, the University of Hawaii logo. And I think he like actually like carved this out himself, man, because I don't know how else you can actually buy this thing. I don't think you can buy this thing because I would have bought it myself already because this is freaking sick. When did you have the time to do this, man? This is so fire. Anyway, this will definitely be going up on the wall back there. I needed something to like fill in the gap on the left of the bear brick, so I mean, this is a perfect fit, don't you guys think? Fire, dude. Thank you so much, Chris. This is super sick. And again, man, hopefully you get better from your pulmonary fibrosis. I'm not sure about like the logistics of the disease and whatnot. I should do my due diligence and actually like look it up. But I'm sending prayers your way, man. Thank you so much, Chris. I appreciate you, man. I'm not talking to anybody else on the channel right now. I'm talking to you. Thank you, man. This is super cool. Prayers out, obviously. God bless, dude. Thank you. I'm just gonna set that back there because that needs to be displayed for the rest of the video. Oh man, this sneaker unboxing got emotional real quick. Anyway, let's get into the shoe part now, guys. This one's from Adidas. And again, it's an older shoe, so don't be surprised when you see it. As we a Yeezy 350 box. I believe this was actually not a recent release. This one is in size 11, and this one is actually a pair of dead stock brand new Yeezy Zebras, guys. This is what it looks like. This is the Yeezy 350 Zebra, released a couple years back now, man. And it is one of the most iconic Yeezy boosts still on the market today, and one of the most sought after, actually. This thing was actually from the Adidas app because they had like a restock, I guess, and it was all done by raffle. So you have to download the Adidas app. And I just put in an entry because I was like, you know, these things still have resale value. I'm not big on Yeezy 350s, obviously, but if it has resale value, why not try to go for it? So I put in a bid and somehow I got the dub. So here it is. And I believe this one is actually going up for the channel members drop for January. So there's still time for you guys to enter that. What is the price I set it at too? Like, I don't even remember, like, it's crazy that I don't remember these things like right off the bat. Whoa, for so I guess I put it up on the channel member drop for retail. So $230, man. I think they're going for like 350 bucks or something, maybe even 400 now. So if you guys want these for retail, because I'm not gonna wear them, it will be on the channel member drop. Basically hit join down below. It'll show you all that information about what the channel member drop is. A lot of cool perks in there, and honestly just you guys supporting me and supporting the community. So cool stuff. That will be going up on there though. Honestly, like since the channel memberships like started, like any shoe that I can cop, even if I don't want it and I know it has good value, I tried my best to cop it because I know I can put it on the channel member drop, like no questions asked, somebody will buy it. We got one box left though. This one is actually from Nike. You guys can tell from the tape. Oh, okay. I remember what this one is now. So we have our Nike box over here. This one is a size 10.5 though, and it's a Jordan 3, which is a pair of like the Animal Pack Jordan 3 they just released. For some reason, a lot of people slept on this and I didn't know why, but when I look at it in person, I can kind of see why now. Because when you guys look at this thing close up, obviously a good plethora of materials on here and just really nice color blocking around the whole shoe. Has like a very like Animal Pack kind of vibe, right? It has like the cheetah print, the leopard print, but the problem I can see with this is it's a hard shoe to wear, man. Like this is like made out of like pseudo like fur, you know, it's not real fur obviously, but it has like that kind of like texture, and I can see why, like just in terms of colors and stuff, like this would be a hard shoe to rock unless you're very like flamboyant and outgoing and stuff. I can't see myself wearing this, which I think is why I put this one on the channel membership drop as well for under retail. I think these are like $225 retail. I put it up on there for $150. So again, even if I cop something and like I don't really feel it or I don't really want it, I know somebody out there does. And if I can give it to you guys for a good deal, because you guys are pooling your money basically in channel memberships for better deals and stuff, that's what I will do. As a reminder, that drop can happen at any time, so have your YouTube notifications on because you guys don't want to miss it. That is actually it for this video, man. A lot different than what I was expecting, dude. I didn't think it would get as like sentimental as it did. Again, shout out to Chris, man. That is so freaking sick. I like have like this little viewfinder over here and I just keep looking at it because I'm like, that is so cool, and I can't believe somebody took the time out to actually make that. So thank you so much, man. That's really a blessing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open back up like the PO box and stuff to people. I'm not sure. You guys can let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see it back, because this was really just a fun unboxing and I really like to see that kind of stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this sneaker unboxing, man. Cool stuff in here, and don't forget to hit up that channel membership drop. It should be coming soon. Be sure to subscribe down below if you guys are new here, and also hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the sneaker unboxings, man. We're gonna have a lot of cool sneaker unboxing throughout the rest of the year, so you guys don't want to miss it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!